Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some colors from the Stacye collection. Okay, spring is here. Spring not actually here, but I'm ready for spring, okay? But I'm going to be showing you some colors from the Stacye collection that you can rock for spring, summer. Of course, nude colors are year round. You can wear those whenever you want to. These are going to be my favorite colors that I wear for spring. Of course, you can wear reds and stuff too, but I'm just going to pull out these pink and nudes for you guys. Let's get started. So the first color I'm already wearing is actually called Send Me Nudes. This is one of my favorites. Actually, I really can't pick between the nude colors because they have different undertones. So depending on what type of look and vibe you're going for, depends on the color you're gonna, rock. There's 3 different nudes available for you to purchase, but they all have different undertones. So depending on the vibe that you're going for, depends on the nude that you'll pick. So I actually have on Send Me Nudes, which is this one, and it's more of that earthy tone, like it's a flesh tone, a flesh undertone. So this is what I like to rock with the lip pencil. You can throw a gloss on top if you would like. Actually, I think I want to go get a gloss so I can show you guys. Alright, so this is just a standard gloss. Just a, 99-cent gloss. And I'll tell you, this is like one of my, I just love this nude. It's just perfect, like perfect for us brown girls. Just perfect. It's not, it doesn't make you look all, dry at the mouth. Your lips don't look ashy. It's just complementing to our skin complexions. Now I'm going to show you the shade Naked with the same lip pencil. So you can see this one's more of like that pinky nude, depending on what kind of vibe you want to give. So I want to show you it with the gloss. I love applying glosses to these nude colors. It just steps it up like a whole nother notch. Alright, same lip pencil. Now we're going to apply Sweetie, which is a darker version of all of the nudes combined. Again, you have Send Me Nudes, you have Naked, and then you have Sweetie. So Sweetie is the darker of the nudes, and it's more of like a mauve, a brownish mauve undertone. This one just blends in with my lip color. I just love Sweetie. Alright, let's see her with the gloss. Looks so innocent. Hi, my name is Stacye and I'm innocent. Same lip pencil. This is Low Key. Now this one is like definitely a spring color. It's like a, I don't know how you can explain it, but it's like an orange color. You see it? It's a soft pale orange. I actually like this one matte. I did apply it with the gloss before, but I think I'm starting to like it more matte. Yes. Boy, bye. That's what this one is called. Boy, bye. Me? Boy, bye. Very pretty. Matte. Ain't going nowhere. Long lasting, non-drying, paraben free, gluten free, cruelty free. This one is called Berry Sweet, which is a little deeper than Boy Bye. So here's the 2 side by side. This one is Boy Bye. This one is Berry Sweet. The lipsticks dry down so nicely. They're so matte, 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 matte. When I say matte, they are matte, okay? I don't like when a lipstick claims to be matte and it's not that. And minimum transfer, barely any actually. matte. That's why I love matte lipsticks, because they are so long lasting, long wearing lipsticks. Definitely will pass the drinking test. Now if you're going to eat, see, the thing with matte lipsticks is once you put it on, it's on, and it's very hard to come off. You have to use specific products just to get it off without ruining your lips, okay? Like I like to use like coconut oil or something like that, and it'll come off easily. Or sometimes by the end of the day it's just off because of eating greasy foods and stuff like that. Grease will break it down. And this one is definitely a showstopper. Definitely a showstopper. Don't need a lip pencil with this one. The applicators on here make it very easy for you to be able to line your lips with just using the applicator. And those are my picks for spring. If you guys are interested to purchase, I'll have the link down below in the description box. I'll see you guys later. Until the next video, stay flawless, boo.